Welcome to SV Union High School and Junior College, presented by Mrs. Vaishali Jadhav. Student, in this part, let's learn the new concept arc of a circle. What is meant by arc of a circle? Let us have a look at this diagram. We have drawn one chord over here AB. Then the circle is divided in two parts. The circle is divided into two parts by taking two endpoints on the circle. So this each part is called as arc. In the figure, the chord AB divides this circle into two parts. The arc AXB, which is small, is known as minor arc. Minor means small. And the arc AYB, which is big in size, is known as major arc. See here student, let us know one more very important thing. What are the corresponding arcs? If two arcs of a circle have common endpoints, this arc AXB and arc AYB have common endpoint called AB. And the arcs make one complete circle. These two arcs are said to be corresponding arcs. In this figure, arc AXB and arc AYB are mutually corresponding arcs because arc AXB is minor arc and arc AYB is the major arc that completes one circle. So, they are known as mutually corresponding arcs. See here, in this figure alongside, now we have drawn one chord RT. It passes through center of a circle, that is why it is known as diameter of the circle also, right? This diameter gives rise to equal arcs. This arc and this arc, if we fold in middle, they will coincide exactly on each other. So, such a two equal arcs, they are called as semicircular arcs. Student, now let us know the measure of minor arc. In the figure, O is the vertex of this angle AOB. An angle whose vertex is the center of the circle is known as the central angle because this angle is at the center. The angle AOB in this figure is the central angle corresponding to the arc AXB. So from this we'll come to know the very important concept that the measure of the angle subtended by the center by an arc is taken to be the measure of the arc. Is it clear? Children, let us know the measure of minor arc. In this figure, just have a look at this figure. The measure of angle AOQ is 70 degree. So, the measure of this minor arc AYQ is also 70 degree. How it is written as measure of arc AYQ means small m in bracket arc AYQ is equals to 70 degree. Now, we'll find out measure of major arc. Student, now let us know the measure of major arc. Measure of major arc is equals to 360 degree. Entire circle measurement distance is always 360 degree. So 360 degree minus measure of the corresponding minor arc. Now in this figure we got this measurement of arc AYQ is 70 degree because it is related to central angle. Therefore measure of major arc AXQ in the figure is 360 degree minus the 70 degree. Of course 360 degree minus 70 degree will get 290 degree. Children, this is how we can find out if the central angle is given from that minor arc, and once we know the minor arc, easily we can find out measure of the major arc. Student, now let's know the measure of a circle. See here, it is a complete circle when the radius OA means distance from center till the point on the circle of a circle turns anti-clockwise as shown in the figure alongside through a complete angle. You know complete angle measures 360 degrees, so it turns through an angle that measures 360 degrees. Its end point A completes one circle. Therefore, the angle subtended at the center by the circle is 360 degree. So, from this, we know the very important thing that the measure of the complete circle is always 360 degree. Students, let's have a look at this diagram. This is the diameter AB which passes through center O. Because of this, what happened? We got two arc AXB and arc AYB, which are two half parts of one circle. If we fold it, they will coincide exactly on each other. That is known as semicircle. So, measurement of complete circle is 360 degree. Now we have divided it in two half parts, that means in two semicircles. So from this we come to know measure of a semicircular arc is 180 degree. So we have studied three important rules, that is, now I know rule number 1, the measure of a minor arc is equal to its corresponding central angle. And the second rule is the measure of a major arc is equals to 360 degree minus measure of corresponding minor arc. And third one is the measure of a semicircular arc is always 180 degree. Student, now let's start to solve sums from practice set 43. Let's have a look at the question number 1. Choose the correct option if arc AXB and arc AYB are corresponding arcs and measure of arc AXB is given 120 degree. We have to find out measure of arc AYB. Here 4 options are given, just like MCQ. Will solve the example. Okay. We know that the sum of the measures of corresponding angle is always 360 degree. The sum of the corresponding angles of a circle is 360 degree. So let us write, therefore, measure of arc AXB plus measure of arc AYB is equals to 360 degree. Right? Now, measure of arc AXB we have given 120 degree plus measure of arc AYB is equals to 360 degree. Therefore, measure of arc AYB is equals to 360 degree minus 120 degree. Of course, we will get 0 minus 0, 0, 6 minus 2, 4 and 3 minus 1, 2. So, 240 degree. This is how we got which alternative correct? Third alternative correct. So you can write here in the box 240 degree. And at last you can write alternative 3 is the correct option. Student, let's have a look at the question number 2. Some arcs are shown in the circle with center O. Write the names of the minor arcs, major arcs and semicircular arcs from among them. Now, let us first write down the minor arcs. Which all are minor arcs? RPXQ, RPR. Maximum possible arcs you can write arc RY. Then arc QY or YQ. Anyway, arc YQ. arc AQX. Okay, you can take arc QP also. Arc XP also we can take, we have not taken, so arc XP. This is how we got so many minor arcs. Now we'll write major arcs. Which all are major arcs? Arc QPY. Then arc PYQ. Arc RQP. RQP. Then arc XPY. Okay, we got many major arcs. Now let us write semicircular arcs. Children will get only two semicircular arcs, that is XPR, arc XPR and arc QYR. Alright. So children, hope so you all must have understood from the diagram how to write minor arcs, means small arcs. How to write major arc means the big arc, and semicircular arcs. Now we will solve question number 3, which is last question of the practice set 43. Student, let's see the question. In a circle with center O, the measure of minor arc is 110 degree. What is the measure of the major arc? P by Q. Right? So, let us write here measure of minor arc PXQ plus measure of major arc PYQ is equals to 360 degree. Alright. So measure of minor arc we have got 110 degree plus measure of major arc PYQ is equals to 360 degree. Now we'll shift this 110 degree on the right hand side, we'll get the measure of major arc. Measure of major arc PYQ is equals to 360 degree minus 110 degree. 0 minus 0, 0. 6 minus 1, 5. 3 minus 1, 2. So 250 degree. Is it clear? Children, hope so you all must have understood this lesson very clearly. Do like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching my video till the end.